Hey guys, Noah's Gaming PCs with another quick video teaching you how to pick out parts. So we're all excited for this game, right? Assassin's Creed Mirage comes out in 2 days on PC and on other platforms. So I'm going to show you the parts that I just picked that will get you pretty much the recommended settings with some sacrifices in certain areas. But it's going to be sub $500 and you're going to build this by yourself. So here are the specs. There's the minimum specs. There are the recommended specs. So I went ahead and stick to an Intel processor somewhere in between a i7 4790K and a i7 8700K. So somewhere in between that, I'm going to show you what CPU I ended up going with. I'm a big fan of Intel Arc A70 graphics card, so I'm going to stick with that. So you're going to have a very nice graphics card. So let's go ahead and go break down through the different parts. So here we are, as I promised, the Arc by Intel, the A750, 8 gigabytes of VRAM, only $217. That's a bargain. You're going to be able to play more games. You're going to be able to play Starfield. You're going to be able to play the most demanding graphic games out there if you go with this card. It's only $217. So that's the GPU. And then we have a 600 watt PSU or power supply. Plenty of power to power that and the rest of our components. We're going to have 512 gigabytes of storage SSD for only $24. This is the CPU somewhere in the middle. I ended up going with a used i7 6700 with 3.4 gigahertz. It's a quad core CPU using the LGA 1151 socket. So this one, the CPU itself, costs $70. And I found a used LGA 1151 motherboard for 57 bucks on eBay. So I'm getting the CPU and the motherboard from eBay. So let's continue. We're going to be have a modest or humble looking RGB case. It's only going to cost us $50. We're going to house everything inside there. We need to get a cooler for our CPU, of course. This $12 one, I've used it. It's plenty good to cool down the CPUs, Intel CPUs on these different sockets. So I recommend this one here. And of course, we're going to go with the RAM, $31 for 16 gigabytes of RAM. So there you go, guys. I showed you how to build the parts, how to get the parts. We're pretty much going with a recommended, close to recommended. I think the only area that we fell short was the CPU, but there's not a huge difference between the i7 8700K and the CPU that I picked here, the i7 6700. But basically, you're going to have a really good time playing this game. And just to show you the math, here's the calculator. So we did it for under $500. A beast of computer. You're going to be able to play Assassin's Creed Mirage that's coming out a couple days, and Starfield, and Fortnite, and all the other esport titles, and all the other AAA titles on high, epic or medium settings, above 1080p, easy. You're going to get, depending on the game, right, easily over 60, 90, 100, 120 frames per second. But I'm really excited about this build. Again, this is Noah's Gaming PCs doing quick little videos helping you guys pick out the parts, and we just did a build for Assassin's Creed Mirage. Let me know if you liked this video, if it was helpful, and that's it for this. Also, if you want to avoid the hassle of building a computer, you can always check out my computer store here, Noah's Gaming PCs. Have a very affordable, good prices for you guys, and I do take custom orders. So if you want me to build a specific computer for you for specific games or games, I'll be happy to do that. Again, Noah's Gaming PCs, high FPS at a low cost. I'll see you guys on the next video. God bless and peace, and I'll see you real soon, guys.